Hey, as a licensed mental health professional, I love using different card sets like these to help my clients not only in session and out of session on their own. What I love about this set is one, it comes with and how to do it. So it's going to go through and tell you exactly how to do that body scan meditation and help you relax. So again, this is something that you could use with a therapist. This is something that you could use on your own. This is something great for adults, something that you can incorporate with your children and teenagers as well. With the cards, but it also comes with a fidget cube as well, which is a really nice tool for clients to have, especially when you're working through things that could be a little bit more difficult and you need something to help you sort of regulate through what you're doing. This system works off of helping you through working with the different chemicals in your body when the levels can be high or low. So we're going to look through a couple of the different cards. So this one is build a stress inoculation routine. So it tells you how to do that. And then on the back, it gives you the exact way to do that. So if you're trying to make like a coping skills checklist or things to do of how to manage your emotions, something like this is going to be really great for you. Let me give you another example from the serotonin pile. A body scan meditation. So this is going to say why it works,